In the glowing depths of space, the starship Etheria soared like a neon comet, its bright lights cutting through the darkness. Inside, Commander Nova Kale, a brave and bold explorer, stood at the controls. Her futuristic suit sparkled with pink and orange lights, glowing as brightly as her determination. Nova was on a mission to uncover the secrets of Neon Terra, a mysterious planet filled with glowing wonders and hidden dangers. When Nova landed on the planet, she stepped into a world of shining towers and glowing rivers. Deep below the surface, she discovered the forbidden control room, a place filled with flickering lights and strange machines. As she touched a glowing console, an alien figure appeared, its body shimmering like liquid light. "You don't know what you've started," it said in a cold, echoing voice. Nova escaped through glowing halls and built a powerful neon blade, a weapon of pure energy. In a final battle, she faced the alien in a stunning duel, her glowing sword lighting the way to victory. Nova's courage saved the future, her story written in the stars.